Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I have actually filmed, just because I was getting a little bit made fun of for doing my YouTube content and I kind of got insecure about it. So for the first video back, I wanted to do a pack with me video. We are going to Cabo as a family, so it's just me, my mom, my dad, and my brother. In this video, I just wanted to share a couple of tips and tricks that I've learned throughout my years of traveling and show you guys what I pack for Cabo. So if you want to see that, just continue on watching. Also, I forgot to mention that I got a puppy! Her name's Luna and we've had her for about 6 weeks now and she's just the most cuddly little thing ever. She's so tired right now. Oh, okay. She's in a couple of clips that I've already pre-filmed for this, so just wanted to let you know that this is our dog and her name's Luna and I love her so much. Tip number 1 is to roll your clothes when you are packing them. I find that this creates more space for you to pack other things, aka your shoes, makeup, hair products, whatever you're bringing. But I really think that it just creates more space and it is a very good trick. Tip number 2 is to bring a laundry basket or a laundry bag. So this way you don't have to put your dirty clothes back into your suitcase with your clean clothes, which just makes it all gross and ugh, especially when it comes to bringing swimsuits or workout gear and they're sweaty or they're wet, so you don't really want to mix those with your clean clothes. Tip number 3, my biggest tip for you guys 100% would be to make a packing list. I am a ditz and I will forget so many things if I don't make a packing list for myself because your girl she don't think. I make it fun, I make it colorful just so it creates something to do, but I really highly recommend making a packing list. Tip number 4 is to pack in sections, aka put all of your pajamas in one section, all of your workout gear in another section, all of your swimsuits in one section, and then all of your normal clothes in one section. I find this easier so that way I'm not like digging through my suitcase looking for like things that I want to wear in that day, so I just pack in sections. Next thing is to invest in a curling iron cover or just bring an oven mitt. So this helps with the fact that you can just stick a hot curling iron or flat iron or whatever you're bringing or using into your suitcase after doing your hair or whatever. Tip number 6 is to put your necklace in a baggie with the top of it out of the bag. So you just zip it and leave the top out, that way it creates it so your necklaces don't get tangled. Same things work with bracelets. Tip number 7 is to keep all of your chargers in one separate bag, because that way I know that all of my chargers are in one place and I can just go into that one place and grab them, and it's just easy and simple. Tip number 8 is to take pictures of every single outfit. I like to lay out my outfits and then after I do that I will take a picture of it so I know that this top will go with these shorts. Yeah, I think that helps me stay organized and not mix and match my clothes. Number 9 is to always keep a pen in your carry-on bag, especially if you're traveling international. Tip number 10 is to bring an empty water bottle. This saves you money, so when you're at the airport you don't have to go and buy a new water bottle. I always like to bring my hydro flasks just because they keep my water cool, and that way you actually save money when you're at your resort too. So now that I've told you all of my tips and tricks, why don't we get on into packing? So this is literally how it goes. I get everything together all at once. So these are all my workout clothes. Right there is my pile of PJs, and then right here are my plain outfits. So that is what I have so far. Next, I'm just gonna shove these all into my actual bedroom instead of my closet. And then I'm gonna actually start picking out my normal clothes. So I have a few clothing pieces that I know 100% that I want to bring. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I promise that there will be more YouTube videos coming out in the future. I just have been busy with school, and like I said, I was kind of getting a hard time for doing what I was doing, but I really want to jump back into it because it is something that I love doing. Even though I am not very popular on social media or anything, I just enjoy doing this and it gives me something to do on my downtime. But yeah, hopefully you learned a couple of tips and tricks from me and liked watching me pack and do all that fun stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.